German, you know what time it is, you know?
Yes, spice.
Yes.
I'm suicidal.
Different countries, different outfits, different shows, different folks, but guess what? It's the same Spice. Hey fanatics, welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Coming up, I will be sharing clips from Spice Europe Tour. This video will feature shows in Germany, Amsterdam, Sweden, and Israel. I must say, I can't keep up with Spice at all. She has been all over the place non-stop. You will see her in Germany today, and tomorrow she is in Amsterdam. How cool is that? What I notice about Spice is that no matter how many shows she does, she will always give the same hype energy performance. I think she is the most hardworking Jamaican artist performance-wise. If you guys think there is someone else who works harder than Spice when it comes on to owning the stage, let me know in the comment section. I won't say much more. Watch the video and let me know what you think about it in the comment section.
Action, ready for the dumping. Why? Started what? Kind and trick like dumping. Spice with big body jumping. Action, ready for the dumping. Why? Hot girls, they pump and stomping. The ties them thick like dumping. Why?
Cocky toe. I'm a belly crumble. The climax me come. Be a shut and run. Me feel like me a come. Me not let you down, so don't let me down. My baby and that's it. From China, so China does keep tiny brother. Them say me nothing about the pump. I got a classy pump, me pass me pump. My man right here in love. What my dance, come on, let me ride it. Ride like a Viking. I can't stop fucking you. When I'm 6:30, now we are 7. Well, fuck me, you in a little romantic. The young like you very sit and giant. Step more than a high keep her ball. But I want us to realize that there's white people among us. Yes! Yes! And they don't want to see us this way. And so I want each... Give yourself a round of applause. I love you all so fucking much. I'm beautiful, so I'm not rich.
The pre-am in the idol. The money make a girl
I'm suicidal. Oh Lord.
Okay, here you go. Come beat me round at the front of me,
My money tick like
Stylo the vocal. Beautiful, so me nah. Me no free, me no chat, me no idol. The money make a girl act. Let me introduce you to my dancers. Let me just take time out to introduce you to my dancers. This is Missy. This is the dancehall queen USA. Israel, y'all ready? You know the pum pum, and the body be a wine and a bum bum jumping. Indicator bumper jumping. Left, right. Bumper jumping, and the body my bumper. Left, right.
Hold on the fire, me hold on the fire. The boy a catch me on the corner from the head. All he must say me a ball.
Tell him. But who the dance, come on. Israel.
Yes, nice.
Yes.
Number one girl, mate.
Yes. You love her?
Ramp with her. But make sure your man looks after you, know.
Definitely.
Any trouble, I'm gonna kick his ass.
Okay, mommy.
That is it.
Thank you.
You want bullfrog man over a place, man? I want to look at snake tail. Yo, God no, hunger kill him. Good body. Alright, that's so. How it go? Pretty?
Oh, it go.
Yes.
Melanin. Yeah, straight through.
No, you go this outfit now.
Yeah. Let me see that mirror. Yeah.
Oh my God, do you have to say
Look at
everything is
this.
crazy?
You have made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm out.